Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create transparent text in CapCut PC. For example, going to select this one image and go to text to add the text, select default text. Alright, I'm going to change for the text before. So you can change for font style and then resize. And to make it transparent, you're just going to scroll down. Do you find the opacity plane option? Just turn on the plane and then swipe to the left for the opacity to make it transparent. Go. So you can see this text is transparent like watermark. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.